There's a mystery on Mars, one that science alone can't solve. A planet deemed lifeless, where nature doesn't allow life to flourish. Despite all our technological advances, Mars may have plans of its own. This silent red planet once took the life of NASA's Opportunity rover, proof that it hides dangers we barely understand. Welcome back to channel, where today, we dive deep into Mars' deadliest problem. But before we get to that, let's ask, why are we so desperate to make Mars our second home? Scientists believe Earth's natural resources are depleting fast. Glaciers are melting, rivers are drying up, and life near the equator is becoming unbearable. By 2100, even if we somehow control greenhouse gases, most of our glaciers will have vanished. Fresh water will be a rare luxury, and if Earth is ever struck by a massive pandemic, global nuclear war, or an asteroid impact, we'll need an escape plan. Just like the dinosaurs once vanished, humans could too. That's why, for years, scientists have been searching for a second home, and Mars is our top contender. Mars isn't Earth, but it's the closest thing we've got. A day on Mars, called a sol, is about 24.6 hours. Seasons exist, like summer and winter, but they're longer. Ancient rivers, lakes, and ice caps have been found, and even its poles mirror our own. It has mountains, valleys, deserts, and volcanoes, including Olympus Mons, the biggest volcano in our entire solar system. There's even gravity and a thin atmosphere, but Mars still presents huge challenges. Water is only found as frozen ice beneath the surface, no flowing rivers. To extract it, we'll need heavy equipment. Oxygen, only 0.13% of Mars' atmosphere, compared to Earth's 20%. Most of it is carbon dioxide. NASA is working on MOXIE, a project that turns CO into breathable oxygen using solar energy. Mars is freezing, day temperatures dip below -6 degrees Celsius, and nights are even colder. To survive, humans will need advanced suits and heated shelters. And even if we manage all that, we can't roam freely. Mars lacks a magnetic field. That means dangerous solar radiation can cause cancer or worse. Solutions are in the works. Underground bases, inflatable habitats, bunkers made from Martian soil, and possibly even using Mars' natural caves. For water, drilling and heating tech is under development. This water can support drinking, farming, and oxygen production. As for food, NASA has tested controlled environment agriculture, sealed greenhouses where temperature, water, and light are artificial. These experiments have already succeeded in Antarctica and the ISS. But amidst all these solutions, one problem remains unsolved. A silent killer that ended the Opportunity mission, Martian dust storms. Mars may look peaceful in photos, a lifeless desert, frozen in time. But look again, on its horizon rises a monstrous wall, a superstorm, caused by sublimation of dry ice, frozen CO turning straight to gas. Every 3 years, planet-wide dust storms emerge on Mars. They're so thick, sunlight can't reach the surface for months. That's a nightmare for solar-powered equipment, like life support systems. In 2018, one such storm ended the 15-year-long mission of Opportunity rover. Solar energy dropped by 96%. The rover's battery died. NASA tried to contact it for months. The final message, "My battery is low, and it's getting dark." That was the last we heard. Mars was not always like this. Billions of years ago, it had a thick atmosphere and flowing water. But over time, it dried up. Now, its thin atmosphere fails to retain heat, causing wild temperature swings. That imbalance drives fierce winds and the deadly dust storms. Dust replaces clouds on Mars. Once it's airborne, low gravity keeps it aloft for months, creating a global haze. Wind speeds reach 160 kilometers per hour, but due to the thin atmosphere, they don't have much force. The real threat, blocked sunlight, and since most of our Mars survival plans rely on solar power, that's the true danger. Human colonization of Mars may soon be a reality, but to survive, we must conquer this final challenge, the storm that once silenced Opportunity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and comment below. We'll see you in the next one, with another story from beyond the stars.